My friends, for the second time, I'm going to show you 5 powerful drum fills, and we're starting right now. What's up everyone, CJ here, I hope you're all doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you 5, you heard me correct, 5 powerful drum fills that are pretty darn easy to learn, so if you're a beginner, keep watching this video. And if you're a pro drummer, keep watching and you might get some inspiration as well. Alright, let's start with the first fill, and this time we're playing triplets. This fill works great in different situations. You can play it with a straight groove or you can play it with a shuffle and the fill still sounds awesome. The sticking for this entire drum fill is right, left, kick. And you repeat that 4 times. Right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, 1. This fill is played as 16th note triplets. And since the triplet ends with a kick drum, you get this really cool double kick feel when you land on the 1 with a crash. I'll break it down for you slowly on the snare drum first. And of course, you can include the toms and orchestrate this fill around your drum set. Let me show you a few examples with a straight groove. Alright, now let's try with a shuffle groove. Alright my friends, this next fill is played as 16th notes, and this fill will really have you work on your hand-foot coordination. This drum fill is one of my absolute favorites to play for 2 reasons. 1, it sounds awesome. 2, it's super simple. It just takes a bit of practice. The sticking for this fill is right, left, kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick, right, kick, left, 1. Don't try it too fast at first, because that right kick, left kick part is tougher than you might think. Let me show it at a slow tempo. And as before, try it around the drum set. Alright, fill number 3. A drum teacher of mine once said, if you want to fatten up your drum fills, start adding flams to it. And I couldn't agree more. This fill is very simple and very powerful. This is a half measure fill, and the sticking for this drum fill is flam, kick, kick, flam, kick, kick, flam. That's it. It sounds pretty similar to the first triplet fill in this video, but this fill is played as 16th notes with 2 groups of 3. And it ends on a flam on the and of 4, so if you count it out, it's going to be 3E and A4E and 1. Notice that pause there as well. 3E and A4E and pause 1. Let me show you the fill with a snare and bass drum first. Now you can orchestrate the flams however you want around your drums, but the way I like to play this is to play the flam between the snare drum and the floor tom. That really gives this fill a nice punch to it. Okay, now we're going into rock territory. This This is a full measure fill that also includes flams. This particular drum fill is very cool because the flams in this fill, they divide the fill into 2 groups of 6 and 1 group of 4. It's played as 16th notes, but as a beginner, you can count this out as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. That can make it easier for you in the beginning at least. The sticking for this fill is flam, kick, right, left, right, kick, flam, kick, right, left, right, kick, flam, kick, right, left, 1. Let me show you this at a slow tempo at first and then increase the speed. This last fill includes the trusted Paradiddle. Now, the Paradiddle is the rudiment that every drummer and their grandma knows. If you haven't learned the Paradiddle yet, this is the sticking. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. That's the Paradiddle. Paradiddle, paradiddle. Let me show you. If you want to practice that first, pause this video and try it out. Now, a very simple and effective way to apply the Paradiddle to the drum set is to play the Paradiddle together with a crash and bass drum on every quarter note hit, on every downbeat, so to speak. So you basically put the accents on every crash hit. So it's going to be right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. The cool thing is you can play this Paradiddle drum fill in different subdivisions. So you can play it as a full measure fill as 16th notes, or you can play it as a half measure fill as 32nd notes. Let me show you. we go, folks. 5 powerful beginner drum fills. Bringing these drum fills into your practice space or when you're practicing with another musician, you'll be blown away how awesome it'll sound. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. If you want to check out my other video about 5 beginner drum fills, check the video right here. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.